Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Wells Fargo draining your iPhone's battery even when the app is closed and you're not using it? Here are two setting changes that stop it completely. First, go to the Settings app and then scroll down to find Wells Fargo in the installed app list or directly search for it. Then, tap on it, find Background App Refresh, and make sure that it is turned off. This prevents Wells Fargo from continuously updating your account data and syncing in the background when you are not using the app, which is one of the biggest hidden battery drains on any banking app. After turning that off, go to the main settings and then scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Location and then scroll down until you find the Wells Fargo app. Tap on it and check what it is set to. If it says always, change it to while using the app immediately. An app set to always is tracking and sending your GPS location continuously in the background, and that alone can drain significant battery throughout the day. After making both changes, go to your settings again, then go to battery and scroll down. You'll see Wells Fargo's battery uses drop noticeably. So all you gotta do is go to settings, go to Wells Fargo, turn off background app refresh, then privacy, then location services, change Wells Fargo